Hello everyone. This is a video demonstration of a project that I did under Smart Interns program by SmartBridge. So the problem statement was Intelligent Customer Help Desk with Smart Document Understanding. Basically here we had to create a chatbot that could handle the questions when the questions were outside its predetermined question set. In this I used IBM Cloud Services like IBM Watson Assistant, IBM Watson Discovery, Node-RED, and also IBM Cloud Functions. For this particular project, I uploaded EcoB3 Users Manual and with Smart Document Understanding first train the assistant. This is done with Watson Discovery. Here, we uploaded the EcoB3 PDF or any other user manual, and then we have to configure the data. In this, the document is first aligned and entitled with all the field labels, appropriate field labels, and then in managed fields, we split the document on the basis of subtitles, and thus finally we have around 130 to 131 documents in total here. Then we use Watson Assistant Service where we create our skill. This is a skill that I created, Customer Care Help Desk skill. In this skill, we can add our entities, intents, and dialogues. So these are the entities, intents, the common intents, then the associated entities, and finally, we have the associated dialogue. So intent, which is going to handle the product-based questions, is product information. In this intent, we add few examples that are asked mostly by the customers, the common questions that probably may be asked by the customer. And then here we can try it out. As we are adding the questions, the bot or the assistant is getting trained, and we can check it out here. If we ask a question, it will try to identify the intent and will try to give the answer. Now this answer is generated because of the dialogue where we added a node which is associated with product information, that is ask about product. In this, whenever the assistant recognizes the product information intent, it will try to fetch the key value parameters and will return some value in webhook result 1 and respond with our value. Whatever value is present in this variable will be displayed here. In Customize, we have to activate the webhooks. This is used to integrate all our services together, the cloud functions and all. In Options, we have to paste the URL from our cloud function service, which is here. This is a dashboard from where I accessed all the services. Here we have the cloud functions. Under this, we have actions. In action, this is the action that I created here, Assistant Enhancer. Into this, we have pasted our code, the appropriate code which is required. Then the parameters, these are the URL and IDs which are taken from our Assistant and Discovery services. And finally, under endpoints, we have the URL which is copied and pasted in our webhook. After doing all this, now we have to create an end user interface for our created services. For this, we have Node-RED. This is the flow which is required. Here I have the form node, which takes the input from the user, and then it is given to the function node, which is then joined to the assistant node and a text node. Then further again it goes to a debug node and another function node. From there it goes to another text node and also an audio node, which will give us the answer in audio output. Once this flow is deployed, we get the following user interface or the bot. Here we can ask questions.
sets the minimum equipment runtime in cool mode, 1 to 20 minutes, default is 5 minutes.
On thermostat, let's select main menu settings, installation settings,
So in this way, our chatbot will respond us with answers related to the product information or product based questions and some general questions also. So this was our project, and this was provided by SmartBridge. It was really good working with them. Throughout the journey of this project, the mentors were really supportive and helpful. They always helped us, gave us proper mentoring, and it was really fun undertaking this internship under SmartBridge. Thank you, SmartBridge, for providing us with such an opportunity, and thanks.